In this video, I'll show you how to download Disney Hotstar on your smart TV with a Google Play Store. Like how to subscribe to this channel if you find the video helpful. So if you've been searching on how to download the Hotstar application on your smart TV with that Google Play Store, here's what you need to do. On your smart TV, connect to the internet and come over to this intermediate application. I love this a lot called Downloader. It is not a Play Store, it's an intermediate application that helps you to find applications from the internet and download it to your smart TV. So just come over it and launch it. If you don't have the application, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get the application on your smart TV. So after getting the application, launch it, and this is how the application looks like once you launch it. Now you're just going to come over to the box here and type in Hotstar, or you can type in a more specific keyword like download Hotstar or Disney Hotstar or install Hotstar on smart TV, any specific keyword. So for instance, type in your keyword, just go ahead and click on search, and downloader is going to show you the various search options or results that you can get Hotstar to your smart TV. So on my screen here, you can see the various options we can use. So for instance, here's an option. Once you come over here, here's another option. Here's another option. So there are many. Now, these options also are going to depend on your search word or keyword. So I'm just going to go ahead with this. Once you click on this, it's going to bring you to this landing page here. Once you click on this, it should lead you to a landing page where you can install the application. And here is it. And if you can see here, if the application is supported in your area or on your smart TV device, you are going to get the application downloaded to your smart TV. If it's not, you just have to go out and search for other options on downloader. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful.